All right, so let's keep going. We're almost done with this section. So we want to determine the exact values of cosine 210 degrees, secant 210 degrees, cotangent 210 degrees. Yes, we can use the unit circle, but this is the reference angle section, so we're going to use reference angles. First step is determining what quadrant we're working with. All right, so we want to figure out what quadrant is 210 degrees in. Well, it is between 180 and 270, so it's in quadrant 3. So it's somewhere over here. We want to use the reference angle to find our trig function. So first we have to discover what's our reference angle. So what is the angle that is between 0 and 90 degrees that has the same size as this one? Okay. All right, so how do we figure it out? Well, we have to do the whole 210 and subtract the 180. And we get 30 degrees. And so we were asked about cosine, secant, and cotangent. So cosine of 30 degrees. All right, so we're doing this reference angle style, so we need to use our reference triangle. Here's 30 degrees. We want cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, root 3 over 2. We want secant, that's just the reciprocal. I'll go ahead and rationalize it. And then cotangent, that would be adjacent over opposite, root 3 over 1, which is root 3. Okay? All right, finally, answer the question. We need to use what we know about reference angles and what we know about the signs of our trig functions in certain quadrants. So we know that cosine of 210 degrees is the same as cosine of 30 degrees, except the sign may be different. We'll do the signs later. Secant of 210 is 2 root 3 over 3. Cotangent of 210 is root 3. Now we just have to determine, are these positive or negative? Well, we're in the third quadrant. All students take. So only tangent and cotangent are positive here. So cosine is negative and secant is negative.